All right, everybody. Super windy day, but we're over here at the pool, and we got a prototype, self-riding version. We got some hardware inside of her, most of it pushed up to the port side, which is the left side right here, and we'll throw her in the water and see if she self-rights. We'll try this test together. All right, let's wish us luck. Slowly flooding. It's a good sign. Obviously the slits and the holes need to be bigger, and don't run away from me. Let's give you a little hand. She's almost there, guys, almost there. I think I need to make the flood chamber just a little bit wider in the back. Test number one. Fail. Flood chamber needs to be a little wider. Alright guys, we're back in the garage. Sorry about these janky assholes. I know they could be better, but I was just tired last night and went to town, I guess. I was tired of this flood chamber. It's been kicking my ass. I finally have it done, and obviously you saw we tested it a little bit. I'm thinking there's about I would say another 1/4 inch lip right here. So the flood chamber right here ends just about over here. So what I want to do is I want to extend it to about right here and bring that line down with this trim mark. And then what I'm going to do is, instead of running a regular in-runner motor like this, I'm going to take some advice from Ironclad and put a outrunner on there, so that when it's, even if it doesn't fully self-right, the outrunner will kink it back. Anyways, well, that's it. So we'll keep trying. We'll get to it. And in the meantime, stick around. Thanks for tuning in, and see you next time.